Welcome back to Tap Tech, the channel where we break down the latest tech and gadgets to see if they really live up to the hype. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting releases in the drone world, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. DJI has built its reputation on pushing the boundaries of aerial photography and performance, and this new model takes things even further. If you've been waiting for a drone that combines cutting-edge imaging with unmatched flight performance, this might just be the one. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro comes with a set of specifications that put it right at the top of the consumer drone market. It's powered by a brand new Hasselblad camera system with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, capable of capturing 8K video at up to 60 frames per second and 20 megapixel stills with stunning clarity. The lens offers variable aperture from f/2.8 to f/11, allowing flexibility in different lighting conditions. For slow-motion fans, there's 4K at up to 240 frames per second, which is a massive upgrade over its predecessor. The drone is also equipped with a new image processor that boosts color accuracy and supports 12-bit RAW photos, ensuring professional-grade results. Design and build quality remain true to the Mavic heritage. The Mavic 4 Pro has the iconic foldable arms that make it compact enough to carry in a backpack while maintaining a sturdy and premium construction. The weight is slightly heavier than the Mavic 3 Pro, but that's due to a larger battery and improved stabilization systems. DJI has refined the aerodynamics of the body, making it quieter in flight and more efficient in handling wind resistance. The gimbal housing looks more robust, offering smoother stabilization for the upgraded camera. The display and controls also see improvements. The RC Pro controller now features a brighter 7-inch screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate, making it easier to view footage even in direct sunlight. The interface is clean, smooth, and more responsive, ensuring that pilots can quickly adjust settings or frame shots on the go. The upgraded O4 transmission technology extends the range to up to 20 kilometers, delivering crisp 1080p video feeds with low latency. When it comes to performance, the Mavic 4 Pro doesn't hold back. It can reach a top speed of around 75 kilometers per hour in sport mode, while maintaining stable footage even in challenging conditions. The upgraded flight system includes omnidirectional obstacle avoidance powered by AI and advanced sensors, which can detect objects in real time and calculate safer flight paths. This makes flying not only smoother but also safer, especially for those who often push drones into complex environments. The precision of hovering, takeoff, and landing is top-notch, reflecting DJI's constant refinements in flight algorithms. On the software side, DJI adds a suite of new features. Active Track 6.0 is smarter and more accurate, locking onto subjects even when they move behind obstacles. Waypoint 3.0 allows for advanced pre-programmed flight paths with smooth transitions, ideal for cinematic shots. The new master shots and hyperlapse modes are more refined, giving creators even more control over automated flight paths and complex shots. For professionals, there's support for Apple ProRes, HDR video recording, and D-Log-M profiles, making it easier to integrate footage into post-production workflows. Battery life is another big improvement. The Mavic 4 Pro features a larger battery that can keep it in the air for up to 46 minutes under optimal conditions. That's impressive for a drone carrying such advanced hardware. DJI has also introduced faster charging, so downtime is reduced when you're out in the field. For long shoots, hot swappable batteries make it easy to extend flight time without missing a moment. The flight experience is where the Mavic 4 Pro truly shines. It feels incredibly stable, even in windy conditions, and the controls are responsive yet smooth. The combination of upgraded obstacle sensors, smarter AI, and better GPS connectivity makes every flight feel more confident. Whether you're flying low to the ground for dynamic shots or soaring high above landscapes, the Mavic 4 Pro delivers a sense of control and reliability that's hard to match. Connectivity has also been taken to the next level. With O4 transmission, pilots get reduced interference even in areas with heavy signals, and the range extension ensures that you can fly further with confidence. Dual-band Wi-Fi and faster SY. Sync make transferring footage to devices quick and seamless. The ecosystem integrates well with DJI's apps, offering both casual users and professionals a polished workflow. Of course, with all these features, the Mavic 4 Pro doesn't come cheap. The price sits higher than the Mavic 3 Pro, reflecting the leap in camera quality and flight systems. But when you compare it to professional drones, the value is still undeniable. For creators, filmmakers, and serious enthusiasts, this drone offers a package that balances portability with pro-level performance, making it a worthwhile investment. There are pros and cons to consider. On the positive side, you get an incredible camera system, extended flight time, reliable obstacle avoidance, and a refined flying experience. On the downside, a higher price might put it out of reach for casual flyers, and the larger battery makes it heavier to carry around. But these drawbacks feel minor when you consider what the drone delivers in performance and image quality. In the end, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is not just an upgrade, it's a statement. It proves that consumer drones can offer professional-level performance while staying portable and accessible. For anyone serious about aerial photography or videography, this drone sets a new standard. It's reliable, powerful, and packed with features that open up creative possibilities in the sky. You've been watching Tap Tech, where we bring you in-depth and authentic reviews of the latest devices. If you enjoyed this look at the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, stay tuned because there's plenty more cutting-edge tech we'll be breaking down for you soon.